In this video we are going to discuss about the factor meal service. So in today's fast-paced world, people are often buying, busy juggling work, family and other commitments. So this can make challenging to maintain the health lifestyle, particularly when it comes to the food. So many people turn to the food from conventional meals which are high in calories, sugar and unhealthy fast. However, there is another options that offer that convenience of the fast food with the nutrients, benefits and home cooked meal factory meal services. So factory meal service is a type of meal and delivery service that offer pre-cooked, pre-portions and ready-to-eat meals that are designed to be healthy and nutrients. So these are typically made with the whole food and free of the preservation, artificial colors, flavors. They are also often tailored to meet specific dietary needs such as gluten-free, vegan or low carb. So in this blog post we explored about the benefits of factory and meal service and why it's becoming the increasingly popular choosing the for busy people who want to eat healthily. So first one is the convenience. One of the primary benefits of this meal service is convenience. This service offer pre-cooked meals that are ready to eat, meaning you don't have spent time cooking the preparing these meals. So this can particularly beneficially for busy people who are don't have any time energy cook after a long time at work. So with factor meals service you can simply heat up your meal and enjoy a healthy delicious meal without any hassle. Second one is the customization. Factory meal services also offer high degree of customization. Many services allow you to select meal based on your dietary needs such as low carb, keto or paleo. This means that you are tired and you will meet your specific nutrients requirements and preferences. So additionally, many services offer rotating menus which means you would not be bored and eating the same meals over and over again. Healthy and nutrients. So another significant benefits of factory meal service is that the meal are designed to be healthy and nutritious. Many services use whole nutritious ingredients and avoid the preservation and artificial flavors. So this means that meal are often lower calories, sugar and unhealthy. Fact that fast food are convenience meals. Additionally, because the meals are pre-portions, you would not overeat, consume too many calories. Time saving. Factory meals also be time saving in other ways. For example, many services offer free delivery, which means you don't have any waste of time grocery shopping of the cooking. Additionally, because of the meal pre-cooked, you would not be spend time cleaning the cooking. So this can be significant time saver, particularly for the busy people who have a lot of commitments. Affordability mean to say that the factory meals service can also be affordable options for people who cost of these services can vary from the often comparable in price of the eating after the purchasing convenient meals. Additionally, because of the meals pre-portions, you would not have waste food from money ingredients that you would not be used. So this can help you to save money from your grocery bills, reduce the food waste. So weight loss. For those who are looking weight loss, formal meal services can be excellent options. These services offer pre-portioned meals that are designed to be lower in the calories and higher in nutrients that fast food or convenience meals. So additionally, many services offer meals that are specifically designed for weight loss such as low carbs, calories and the meals. Improved your health. Factor meal insurance can help to improve your health overall health by eating the meals you are rich in whole nutrient ingredients can help to improve your intake of vitamin, minerals and other nutrients. So additionally, because these meals are pre-portions, so you would not be afraid the consume so many calories which can be lead.